up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a cool video for you today. This is a different one. It's something new for me. I'm excited about it. I say it's new because it's a new body style. We've done this style build on an Escalade, a Yukon, and a couple Tahoes, but today we're on a 2025 GMC Yukon AT4. This thing is beautiful. It's the brand new body style. I love the interior. It's the black leather with the brown trim. It has a huge screen inside. I'll show you the screen and then I'll get out and show you the vehicle. We're going to be doing this is an air ride vehicle. It has airbags on it from the factory. So we're going to be basically tricking the system, putting some longer adjusting rods on the suspension part of this truck. And it's going to raise it 2 to 2.5 inches. And we're going to do some 35-inch tires and some 22-inch Vossen. I think it's the HF6-4 wheels. They look awesome. They're black. You're going to see them here in just a minute. So stay tuned for the process, and I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you. All right, so here's our Yukon. It is the diesel engine, the 3.0. Sounds really good. The AT4 package does come with a little bit different front bumper on the truck. It's a little bit sleek, more sleek than like the regular Yukon. Kind of looks more off-roady, which is nice for what we're doing to it. I believe this is that new Cypress gray color that they have. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Love the way this looks. The new headlights on this are amazing. time's running a little low today, I'll say. It's been low the last 3 or 4 vehicles in a row, and everybody's in a hurry and everybody has to go. So I'm not going to put as much time into this one as I was on the other ones, but this is that Yukon video, and I'm super excited on how it looks. So I wanted to go over the truck with you real quick before he leaves. We did that, like I said, that 2.5-inch suspension lift and the 35s on it. We did a little trimming you saw in the video earlier. This thing's amazing. It's an AT4. When you get in it and drive off, the air suspension is constantly like adjusting itself, and it's just really, really nice. It's good design. So check out the truck. I'm gonna go on the outside of it and take a look at it now, and let me know if you have any questions about it. All right, so once more about the vehicle. It's a 2025 GMC Yukon AT4. This is a brand new body style, brand new front end, new headlights. You guys probably haven't seen these on my channel yet. Looks amazing. They did knock this one out of the park. I love the way it looks. Probably going to be Team GMC for this body style over the Chevrolets. We did, like I said, the 2.5-inch little air adjusting sensors right here. This is what makes the height possible. There was some trimming done. You can't tell it because we have the best trim guy that you can get. A little bit in the back, you can kind of see where a little bit's missing there, but the truck turns all the way, and I couldn't be happier in the way it looks. The tire we went with on this one is the 35 12.5 22 Toyo Open Country MT. This is a great mud tire. It rides really smooth. It has very little noise. If you're going to buy quality, Toyo or Nitto's the way to go. This wheel is the Vossen. I believe this is the HF6-4 wheel. This is the gloss black finish. It looks amazing. They make these in all kinds of sizes, like 20s, 22s, 24s. They fit most of these luxury style SUVs, and that's what we typically use. The fact that they're a flat face wheel and they don't stick out a whole bunch makes the big tire possible without having to cut all the fender out or anything like that. So super happy with the way it turned out. If you have any questions about this one, feel free to reach out. My number is 678-994-9180. He probably watches my channel, that's why he honked. Anyways, Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. If you have any questions, reach out. I'm here 8 to 6, Monday through Friday. Thank you.